Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk through this Ferrari 275 interior. The car's just been delivered to us and it has a number of parts through the interior that are not as they should be. Through this video we're going to show you some of those and how we use our archive to eliminate those and put these cars back to factory specification. I'm not going to run through everything we've spotted, but on our initial assessment, a few of the highlights that we've found are, first of all, incorrect materials have been used throughout the cabin. Everything has been done in leather, whereas there should be a leather and vinyl combination in these cars. The headlining is in the wrong material, but then the sun visors have also been done in the perforated material. That should be in the plain. Everywhere you look, all of the screws, the fixings, are all the incorrect ones for this car. So when we reassemble everything, we'll put those back together. Things like this, you've got huge gaps between some of these panels. Once we've stripped all the old covers off, we will amend those issues, get the fitment absolutely perfect before we retrim and reinstall those parts. And the final thing I'll highlight for the moment are the seats. It's missing a flute on the end here, and you've got a twin stitch on these seat bolsters where it shouldn't have that. All of this will be eliminated through the retrim process, and we look forward to showing you a few more bits as this video progresses.
Join me upstairs in the archive. The 275 we were trimming downstairs has the B pillar trims missing, and I've got an old cover in the archive, and this will be great. This will show me the width I need to make, the height, and where the screw holes went. Invaluable.
So hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the transformation of this cabin. There was a number of details that we highlighted at the start of this project that were incorrect from original. All of those have now been rectified, and all of the details in this cabin are correct as this car would have been when it was brand new. We've got rid of things like the twin stitching up on the dashboard here and the centre console. The extra stitch lines that were in the seats have all gone. We've now got the correct flute patterns in the seats. The carpets fit as they should with the correct plastic across the front and the throttle guard down by the accelerator pedal. It's got the correct profile rubber mats in there. On the foot bar in the passenger seat, again, we've supplied and fitted the correct rubber profile for there. We've also manufactured and fitted these beautiful luggage straps to hold your luggage down as you're touring around in this beautiful car. On the centre console, as well as removing that top stitch that it had, we've also used the correct thickness of padding here and put the correct Ferrari emblem in there for the owner. Elsewhere in the cabin it was missing these B pillars. They've been fabricated, trimmed and installed. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. Seeing this car be transformed from the black interior you saw at the start of this through to this absolutely breathtaking tan interior with all of the correct details. This car is now being shipped back to the owner in the USA and he's intending on driving it, and we hope he absolutely enjoys every moment of it. Thanks for watching. Any comments or questions, drop them below and we'll see you in another video soon.